What you doing?
Are you sure Mr. Bleakman
Huh? What her doing? Hello, my sweet pea. Yes, my girl. Derp 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 derp. Na. Tell mommy everything. Is there a birdie in the house? We tried to get the birdie out, huh? Then he ran against the window, and we said, "Oh no! No birdie!" And mommy tried to pick him up, huh? And then he fluttered under the couch. And we said, "What are we gonna do about this?" We had no idea what to do because the birdie's under the couch right now, huh? Yeah, birdie's under the couch. Oh no! Bert said, "I'm just gonna eat my hands. You'll figure something out soon, huh?" Yeah.